In this video, we'll be looking into JAMB 2026 practice question for mathematics. Now, before we proceed, look at this question, pause this video and solve this question. Then type your answer in the comment section. Once you are done with that, then resume this video back to watch the correction to what we have done. Now, the question says that the smallest length of a rod which can be cut into exactly equal sections, each of either 30 centimeter or 36 centimeter in length, is, what is your answer? Now, when you see this question, what will come to your mind? You'll be thinking that, okay, is this question based on what problem? Is this question based on this? You will be thinking of, even some students will firstly draw a sketch of a rod, then they will start cutting the rod, like just trying to form or trying to think of how this question is going to be solved. Now, not to waste your time, this question is to be solved based on the lowest common multiple, meaning that we are going to use the system of LCM to solve this particular question. And how do? We're going to look for the LCM of 30 centimeter and what? And 36 centimeter. So that's the principle we are going to use to solve this particular question. Now, what's the LCM for 30? Let me go in a easier method. The LCM of 30, and also the LCM of 30 and 36. So the way we used to calculate LCM, the basic way to calculate LCM is by saying 30 here and 36 here. So how do you get about that? Then, if you want to do LCM, the people will tell you that, or your teacher will teach that you start from the lowest number first. That's still the best thing to do. So you start from lowest number, which is 2. So 2 divided by 30, that is 15. 2 in 36, and that is 18. So after that, then you are going to use another number, which is 2 again. So 2 in 15 is still remain 15 because of 2 cannot go in 15, so you can write 15 there. Then 2 in 18, that is what? That's 9. What can go again? That's going to be 3. So if 3 goes there, 3 in 15, that is 5. 3 in 9, and that is what? 3 as well. Then we use 3 again here. Then 3 in 5, it's not possible. Then you repeat the 5 here. Then 3 in 3, that is 1. So what number do we use again? We are going to use 5 here. So if I use 5 divided by 5, that is 1. And for this place, that is 1. So having done this, then the LCM will be equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Now let's do that together. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 3 is 36. 12 times 3 is 36. And 36 times 5 is going to be what? That will be 36 times 5. So that will be 180. So that is 180 centimeter. So the correct answer for this is option A. If this video is helpful to you, if you learn 1 or 2 from this video, please do well to share this video, give us a like thumb, and give us a nice comment. And if you want to join our online tutorial class, whereby we teach both the art student, commercial, and the science, we use WhatsApp and Zoom meeting, Zoom classroom to teach students, and our teaching is very effective. It is just 8,000 naira per month. We teach from Monday to Friday, and Saturday. Weekends generally is for revision and evaluation. And we are going to mentor you until we see that you are admitted into your preferred university with your preferred course. So do well to give us a like thumb, a nice comment, and for the tutorial, go under the comment section and let us know if you are interested, or you send a WhatsApp message to the number displayed on our profile picture so that we can join you ASAP. Thank you so much. Bye.